Okay, so what we're doing here is we're doing a biceps repair. So basically what happened was this biceps tendon tore off the bone. Now which bone are we talking about? I'm talking about the radial tuberosity. Okay, so the radial tuberosity, here we go, that's radial tuberosity, torn tendon. I've attached a couple of sutures to it that are woven and locked right there. So these two sutures now, I'm actually going to thread them into this little oblong metallic button like this. Okay, and then this oblong button is going to go in here. So I've already drilled a little pilot hole in here, as well as over drilled over here another hole. So it's basically, I'm going to draw it solid now. Those are my drills. So this oblong button is going to be slid into here, and then it's going to be flipped on the other side. And when I pull the sutures like this, it's going to suck the tendon in to the base of that proximal hole, and then I tie the sutures over here. So that's what we're doing. It's like a toggle bolt design with a little metallic button that's slid into the pilot hole, flipped, locked, pulled. It sucks the tendon back and recreates the tension here so that the biceps can function again. Distal biceps repair. Thank you.